So this is what a camera looks like. This is what we have on all our trucks. Basically what it is it's an actual camera that goes through your sewer, and then we inspect everything that's going on in there. There has to be an accessible cleanout. So what does that mean? If you look here in the yard, there's an accessible cleanout right there. And so we have to have that available for us to do this camera inspection. If you have a main blockage, like if you see here, there's a sewer system right here, and then there's a tree there. In some cases, that tree does get into that sewer line, and there's a clog. If that cleanout is not there, we would have to go inside, pull your toilet, and run the machine and camera through there, when there's one very accessible here, and that's where we run it right there. So those are the benefits of always having a cleanout. Not always people have sewer issues, but when they do, having a cleanout makes it 100 times better. So basically what Trevor is doing, he's going to get everything set up. Of course, we start off with safety first, with the glasses and of course gloves, because that is sewer that he is messing with. So things we're looking for is, of course, if it's holding water. If it's holding water, that means there's a belly. Sewer is gravity fed, so there shouldn't be no water holding in the pipe whatsoever. So having a belly, what can happen with those issues is that having a belly is just what you think of as an actual belly. And sediment, toilet paper, and everything else will build up in that area and will cause a clog over time. So that will also always be causing an issue with the sewer system. So also another thing that we look for in the sewer system is roots, because roots do cause an issue in that sewer system. They find water and they will travel to that area and they will break anything in the path to get to that water. So that's how roots grow into the sewer system. So everything looks good here, but what we also looking for is separation from the actual fittings here. And as you see here, they're completely fine. In this inspection that we do, we want to make sure that all fittings are intact and in good condition, which this one is. So in this case, it is PVC. We can see that it's PVC. Some homes that are older homes, they will have cast iron, and when it comes to cast iron, you're gonna have a lot of issues with that. Some homes also have concrete and clay that's in the yard. So every 3 feet, you're gonna see an issue with roots or separation. And usually we won't find that out until we run a camera and see what's going on. Oh, right here, that right away. So we found something. Okay. All right, so going back that way, Trevor found something immediately. So remember I told you in the very beginning is the separation. Here's a complete actual separation right there. There's, if you look, there's dirt right here. Can you get a little bit closer, Trevor, for me, please? And there's a complete gap right there. So there's gonna be issues here at some point, but that's why we do these inspections. Yeah, snap right there. So in this clip here, we get to show you pretty much everything. The separation, and now we're gonna show you an actual belly. There's no water holding here. Trevor's gonna go down a little bit more forward, and you're gonna see him starting to see water starting to build up in this area here. And as more and more, as you see, and you're actually gonna see toilet paper sitting right there, and a present. And so basically what they're doing is starting to build up there, and at some point it will create a clog. And that's why bellies are issues. Customer did have an issue in her sewer system. We went inside, took a look at it. We're gonna go ahead and give her some estimates on that situation. And so basically, we're all finished up here.